Hello, and welcome to the Getting Started with IDEA video series presented by Automation Services. The next piece of IDEA functionality we're going to look at is called direct extraction. With direct extraction, you're able to narrow your focus using simple criteria or equations that you can build in the equation editor to create result datasets in your project. Doing a direct extraction does not affect or alter the original database in any way. Just like in every other IDEA feature, the data you import is a read-only copy of the source data. Direct extraction is found on the Analysis tab. Let's click that tab to have a look. With the Analysis tab displayed, choose Direct from the Extract category. The Direct Extraction dialog opens with the default database name. I'm going to create two extractions from this database, one based on numeric criteria, and the second based on character criteria. To get started, click in the File Name box and type a good name for your new file. Then click the small calculator button to open the equation editor. The equation editor is where you'll build a criteria to filter the full database down to a meaningful or much smaller record set, and then do the direct extraction, which is probably better stated as a copy of the filtered records instead of an extraction, since nothing is literally removed from your original dataset. In the lower left section of the dialog is a list of columns or fields with the data type next to them in the database that you're working on. A full set of all of the built-in functions are in the middle part of the dialog, and anytime you select a function from that middle section, a help panel on the right side of the dialog will show you detailed help information and how to use the function. To create an equation or criteria, simply select the field from the list, or start typing the field name in the equation panel. The second method will pop up a list of fields that are matches for the text that you type. Use the arrow keys to scroll to the field you're interested in or double-click it. Numbers are input by typing them on the keyboard, and you can use the operators just above the equation panel or type the symbols on your keyboard to complete your criteria. For this first extraction, I want to look at large sales before taxes. I can scroll down and choose the field from the list, or put my cursor in the equation panel and type the name. Choose the sales before tax column by double-clicking it. Use the greater than or equal to operator from the toolbar and type a value. I'm going to use 100,000. Notice for numeric parameters, I don't need thousand separators or decimal places. Click the green check mark to accept the equation and return to the direct extraction dialog. Now I'll name my second extraction. Click the calculator icon to reopen the equation editor, and this time I want to extract rows based on character criteria. Start by typing the field name, select the operator from the toolbar. In this instance, I'm going to use an equal, and then type the exact text that you want to extract. Notice there's a slight difference here. For text or character extractions, the value you are interested in has to be between double quote marks. Click the green check mark to accept the equation and return to the direct extraction dialog. Now click the OK button to have the new data set or data sets created in your project. The new files will be child files located directly below the original data set where they were extracted from. Your original file will be unaffected. It still contains all of the records you started with. The extraction databases have a copy of the records that you requested using your criteria. During this short video, we saw how easy it is to create focused result datasets using the direct extraction feature and simple equations in the equation editor. The new databases are displayed below the original data in the File Explorer panel in your IDEA project. If you have questions, need more information, or assistance using the direct extraction feature, please call the Automation Services Help Desk at 888-641-2800 and choose option 4. Thanks, and make it a great day.